In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the fiscal year in QuickBooks. If you're managing your own finances or your businesses, keeping everything aligned with your fiscal objectives is crucial, and that starts with setting the correct fiscal year in QuickBooks. Let's dive in and I'll guide you through each step of the process. First, you'll need to sign in to QuickBooks Online. Make sure you have your credentials handy, your username and password, as you'll need those to access your account. Once you've clicked on the sign in button, go ahead and enter your credentials and click continue. This will take you directly into the QuickBooks dashboard, your gateway to what's happening with your finances. Now, to reach the settings, direct your attention to the gear icon, often found in the upper right corner of your screen. This icon acts as the main control hub for your account settings, and it's where we need to go next. Click on the gear icon, and then from the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. Be sure to click it. This will open a new window where you can adjust many of the nuances that dictate how QuickBooks operates for you. Within the Account and Settings menu, you will want to navigate to the Advanced tab. You can find this tab in the left-hand column. Clicking on Advanced will present you with several more options that relate to your account's core settings. Once inside the advanced settings, find the section labeled Accounting. Clicking on Accounting is pivotal because this section contains the setting to change your fiscal year. Now you'll see the option to close the books. When you turn on close the books, you're essentially setting a lock on your financial data up to a certain point in time, which is beneficial for maintaining accurate records as you head into a new fiscal year. Here's where you specify the closing date by choosing a date that aligns with when your fiscal year ends. Be sure this date accurately reflects your fiscal calendar, as it helps in producing reports and maintaining order in your financial documentation. After selecting your closing date, don't forget to finalize everything by clicking on Save and Done. This ensures that all the changes you've made are securely stored within QuickBooks, and there you have it, a seamless transition into a new fiscal year in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your financial records are up to date and reflective of your actual fiscal year, which is invaluable for efficient business management. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on changing your fiscal year in QuickBooks.